Now, an additional great benefit of being able to choose between different multiple models and this platform being model agnostic is that certain models enable you to upload images, which really opens up a whole can of use cases. So, for example, I'm here in 3.5 and I don't see any vision um, toggles here. And that's because right now in 3.5, it doesn't have vision capabilities. You can't upload an image into the model. But many models these days are multimodal, which allows you to upload images. So for example, I'm going to choose Claude, great model. You can also use GPT-4o if you don't want to use Claude for whatever reason. And let me use this one here. And you can see at the very bottom, we can see two new parameters or inputs that enable me to add things to it. So the first is vision, the other one is document. So this model accepts images, which is fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and toggle that on. All right. And I can also do some settings if I want, resolution, upload method, or whatever I want to do. In this case, what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to say in the system instructions, you are an AI assistant that reads invoices and returns information about it in a structured JSON format. Okay. So you do need a variable though, otherwise this will not pop up. So I'm just going to have a blank variable here that's not going to be used in the prefix prompt. And what I'm going to do is I will upload an image from my computer. Okay, perfect. I'll select this invoice that I have here. And then I'll click run. Oh, company description cannot be empty. I'll just put something random into it. Hello. And then I'll click run. Okay, there we go. So there is our information. We have our vendor, bill to, ship to, everything like that in JSON format. And it did it pretty quickly, actually, which is very impressive. And now let me just open up the invoice to make sure that the information that we got is actually correct, because that would be embarrassing if it was not. There it is. So here's the invoice. Make it a little bit smaller. Perfect. Okay, so we have vendor, East Repair. Good. Bill to John Smith. Good. Ship to John Smith. Let me see if the total is right. 154.06. 154.06. Boom. Amazing. So now you can use these to do more creative things as well. So I'm going to say over here, you're an AI assistant that looks at product images and creates Amazon product marketing descriptions for it. Okay. So let me get rid of this output text here, or actually what I'll do is I'll just delete this photo and then I will upload the other image that I have, which is an image of a plant, a potted plant. And I'll also integrate the company description into it as well. I'll say the name of the product is company description. Okay, so the name of the product is, I'll say over here, Henry's potted plant. Okay, and I'll click run. Okay, Henry's potted plant, premium artificial fiddle leaf tree, blah, 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 transform your living space, key features, perfect for, amazing. This is amazing because now I can include images in my workflows as well, which really extends the amount of things that I can do here. So in summary, certain models have vision capabilities, others don't. You can see in this model, it also has document capabilities as well, which will basically allow it to take in documents and answer questions about it, but we'll go through that in the knowledge section of this course, knowledge and memory section, not right now. But this is very important to know that you can use vision in these types of contexts as well. Awesome.